Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and in this video we are gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna try to make a track while we have 10 Soundgoodizers on the master channel. So yeah, Soundgoodizer is basically like a compressor, and it's a kind of a meme where you put Soundgoodizer on the master channel because it just makes everything super compressed. But how about 10 Soundgoodizers? I mean, surely we are going to create the best track ever, and it's gonna have the best mastering ever. So anyways, just to give you a good comparison, here's this kick. We found 10 Soundgoodizers, and now let's put the Soundgoodizers on the master channel and hear the mayhem. So one, and I'm just gonna leave them on the default setting, but if you want even a better master, just turn them all the way up, of course. And that's 10 right there. Okay, so 10 Soundgoodizers, all active, and you heard the kick before, and this is how it sounds now. Oh yeah, already a banger. So yeah, when you put the 10 Soundgoodizers, it's gonna just be super over compressed and all the sounds are going to be affected because it's on the master channel. So let's see if we can make any song that sounds pretty good while we have this on the master channel. And all the sounds are just gonna have this crazy release on them. But yeah, let's get started. So I'm thinking like dubstep or something because everything will be just super heavy. So I'm like choosing a kick, but it doesn't even matter. Okay, maybe just... Okay, let me actually just do this. Okay, let's actually put this kick in Edison and make it super short like this. See if this helps. Okay, it's almost a decent kick. Not really, but that will do for now. Anyways, let's put this to 150 BPM and let's choose a snare. It's gonna be crazy. I'm worried. Damn. The snare sounds the same like as the kick. Oh my god. All these sounds have so much release. Oh, that's not good. Anyways, let's do the same as we did for the kick. Like almost the initial punch is almost good, but the rest just like gets all distorted. And let's just like cut it, see if that helps. It's so bassy. Now let's just put the whole thing there. And let's just like delete all the bass from it. Maybe that will help. Yeah, that helps a little bit. It's still so bassy. Even if we delete the bass. That's crazy. Anyways, let's create this rhythm. That's so bad. Let's actually find a clap if we can. Yeah. This one sounds pretty good. Now let's put this in the playlist and let's put the clap in the playlist as well because it's like a pre-shifted clap, or I don't know what the hell is this. Let's just make it shorter. Yeah. And let's also delete the low frequencies from the clap. Okay, so now we have something. We have the drums. Let's see. Well, the good thing about this is that you don't have to worry about mastering. I feel like... You know what I feel like? Like this clap needs a Soundgoodizer on it. Yeah, let's just put Soundgoodizer on this clap. Feels like a great idea. Yeah, just a little bit more Soundgoodizer. There's never enough. I mean, it's a goodizer, so... You can always make it better, you know. More Soundgoodizer means it will be even goodizer. Yeah, that makes sense. Anyway, so let's add the bass. I don't know, maybe. So let's go with something crazy. I don't know. This is not gonna sound good. It's like a fucking earthquake is happening after. Sure sounds like the bass has a lot of power. Actually, we need to like get rid of all the reverb. No reverb for sure, and just no release. Like the sound stops, but the compression is so heavy that it just continues on. Anyways, let's put it lower. Let's just put it on F sharp. I wish we didn't have the heavy compression on the kick and snare because it just makes it pretty much impossible. But the kick is just so weak, you can't even hear it, even though I have this compression like all the way up. We need to like make the kick better somehow. Maybe a percussion then. Yeah, this could work as a kick. We need something with no bass, just a clicky sound. And let's delete the bass. Let's see how this sounds. This is not good at all. I hoped that we would make something better, but... Okay, this is gonna be the kick. And it's just gonna be there once, like this. Now let's hear it. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like shit, but trust me, this is harder than you think. Anyways, let's try a few more sounds. Let's hear it now. The kick is non-existent in the mix. Let's actually add an arpeggio and see what that creates. That's probably not gonna work at all. So yeah, a really nice, short, plucky sound. Okay, let's delete the reverb and all the release. Okay, this could actually work, so... I just love how every time I press pause, it's still going. This is the best I got. This is so shit, man. Let's play this whole thing and see what we actually created. Okay, this sounds terrible. Anyways, this is take 2 of this video, as you can see by the lighting. And I thought I'm gonna try this again because I didn't want to leave you with this shit video and really bad results. So I thought I'm gonna try again, but this time I'm only going to be using 5 Soundgoodizers on the master channel, because I think 10 is too much and it's just pretty much impossible to make anything good. This is how the kick sounds if we have 5 Soundgoodizers on the master channel. So it's still overcompressed, everything is overcompressed, but it's a little bit easier than 10. And I think I'm gonna try to make a trap song, actually. Let's start with the drums, and let's maybe go 150. Hopefully this will be better, but I'm a bit afraid it will still be pretty bad. Maybe do a reverse clap as well. So just drag it in the playlist and reverse it. Let's add this snare and see. And just do this. So yeah, we have these overcompressed drums pretty much ready. And now maybe we will add hi-hats, just fill it 4 steps. Delete all the low frequencies. Okay, so not the worst thing. Let's see if we can add a sub bass. Maybe we can use this distorted one. I can barely hear the metronome. And let's see how our drums with the sub bass sound. Yeah, as you can hear, there's no dynamic because everything is just like super compressed, and you cannot hear the snare like piercing through the mix because it's being compressed with all the other sounds. So nothing stands out, which really sucks. But yeah, that's what we gotta work with. And now let's add some brass, I think. I'm using this pack by Apache, and it's from Cymatics, and it's a free pack, so you can get it as well if you want. So let's try adding this brass sound. And let's see if we can make any melody that will kind of work. sounds really bad still. This is horrible! Whoever said Soundgoodizers is the best mastering solution was a liar. The myth is busted. Soundgoodizer is not a good solution for mastering. But yeah, this is pretty much what we created. It sounds really bad. I don't know. Maybe this was a terrible video idea, but the title was a really good clickbait title, you know? So it's all about the title anyways. So anyways, this is what we created with 5 Soundgoodizers on the master channel. I think it's a good progress, but it's still really bad. Let's hear it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. But let's try removing the Soundgoodizers and hear how it sounds without them. Okay, so now you can hear the dynamic in the song, but how about we actually try to mix it well so it sounds better now. So let me actually try to do mixing without the Soundgoodizers on the master channel now and see if we can get anything that sounds a bit better. So anyways, the way I do mixing, it's just all about the volume, so let's start with the kick. And if we want to make it even more interesting, we can add some arpeggio, I guess. Anyways, this was the video. I tried to do my best, but as you can see, having a bunch of Soundgoodizers on the master channel is not the best option. So don't do that. Doesn't mean you shouldn't use Soundgoodizer ever, because I actually like that plugin, but don't use it on the master channel. Unless this is your goal. Anyways, thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.